installing PRP seats in my RZR today. Gonna compare it to the Simpson seats, see what we like better. Here's the brackets that come on the PRP. Driver's side, passenger side. PRP XCR seats installed in my RZR. Pretty easily. Still have to hook up the heaters in it though. 22 Pro XP with Simpson seats, or a Simpson seat to test it out. Sits really nice, it's soft, it has good side support, but the bases are L and W to mount it. They're removable like the stock seats, which is nice. But the seating position wasn't great. We had to space it up a little bit. It's a little bit better now. Versus the PRP XCR seats I just installed. They're a little wider. They still sit pretty nice, but not as soft as the Simpson seats. But overall, they should be good. The seatbelt harness holes are further apart on these. Where the Simpson seats, it rubs on your neck if you have them through there, for us anyway. The Simpson seat works better on the outside. And these seats are bolted in versus a quick release. So you got 8 bolts you have to take out to pull the seat out. But the slider is still there, so you can slide it forward to access the oil filter and air filter and whatever. And that's it.